Inflation is here. We need a good dividend stock. Check. A profitable company. Check. And a Government of India company. Check. Or should I say, rec. Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pradeep and you're watching Vlog of Note. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 reasons why I'm bullish about REC Limited. Let's get started. So first of all, mandatory disclaimer here, I'm not a SEBI registered expert. I'm just a person who has made a reasonable amount of money by investing in the Indian stock market. If you are planning to make an investment in REC, you should do your own research. Now REC, formerly Rural Electrification Corporation of India Limited, is basically a Navratna company. You have Maharatna, Miniratna and you have Navratna. It is majorly owned by the Indian government with a 52% stake held by the Power Finance Corporation of India. It is an NBFC in the business of providing finance to power sector in this country. There are 3 reasons why I'm bullish about the stock of REC Limited. The first reason has to do with its earnings. You know, REC is a surprising company. They actually make money. There is a 100% correlation between the earnings of a company and the share price increase. If the earnings go up, then the share price also has to go up in usually the same percentage. Now, earnings of REC Limited have grown by 23% in the last 3 years. In the last 1 year alone, they've grown by 50%, which is pretty staggering. The share price, however, has not grown by the same leaps and bounds. And therefore, at least according to Peter Lynch, there is an investment opportunity because the valuation is quite cheap relative to the earnings. The second reason why I'm bullish about the stock of REC Limited has to do with dividend. Now, I know I'm a young investor, but I like to have at least some dividend stocks in my portfolio. It's a good way to get stable, long-term secondary income. A lot of retail investors tend to prefer share prices that go up quite dramatically, but now and then it's good to have a dividend stock. The dividend paid by REC Limited in the last year alone is 9.11%, which is pretty staggering. If you had invested 1 crore into the company, you would have got about 9 lakhs back just in dividend income. Now also, this is not a stable dividend, but however, over the last couple of years, the dividend has always been pretty high. Among the publicly listed companies in India, this company ranks among the top 25% for paying dividend. The third reason why I'm bullish about the stock of REC Limited has to do with the recent deal that they just performed. Now, if an NBFC has to lend money to the power sector, it has to have a source of finance. Usually, it borrows this amount in the international market. The international community has just lent $1.17 billion to REC Limited. This international syndication will soon appear in the Asian Syndication, but REC will use this in order to lend money to the power sector in India. The fact that the international community has decided to give it $1.17 billion is a mark of confidence in the long-term performance of this particular stock. Now, I'm not the only one who's bullish about the stock of REC Limited. I think most people have initiated buy calls with a target price of over 190 rupees, meaning that this has an upside of over 50%. You could do a lot worse than invest in the stock of REC right about now. If you have any questions, please go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below. As always, please go over to YouTube, subscribe to the Vlog of Note channel, ring that notification bell so that you never miss a video, and I will see you guys in the next episode.